Today, I'm going to show you how to let websites use your camera and microphone in Google Chrome. If you've ever been stumped by a site refusing to recognize your device, whether you're trying to join a video call, record audio, or snap a quick selfie for an online form, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted. By the end, you'll know exactly how to manage these permissions confidently for both all sites and specific websites, so you're always in control of your privacy and online experience. Let's jump right in. First things first, we'll be heading into Chrome's settings. Start by opening Chrome and look up to the top right corner. You'll see three little dots, stacked. This is Chrome's main menu. Go ahead and click those dots. Don't worry if the interface looks slightly different depending on your version. The menu is usually in the same spot. From this menu, choose Settings. Now, when you land in the Settings page, there's a menu on the left. Look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. Click that, and then select Site Settings. This is the control center for how Chrome interacts with different websites, especially when it comes to access requests like camera and microphone. Taking a moment to find the right tab here is important. It's the difference between updating cookie preferences and controlling hardware access. Now, let's fine-tune your default permissions. Under the Permissions section, you'll see Camera and Microphone listed separately. Click whichever one you want to adjust first. Most people set up both at the same time. Here, you'll spot a section titled Default Behavior. This is what Chrome does anytime a website asks to access your camera or microphone. The most common and generally safest choice for most users is sites can ask to use your camera microphone. Choosing this means every website will need your OK before it sees or hears anything, which is great for privacy, but still lets you use services like Zoom or Google Meet seamlessly. If you're super privacy conscious, you can block all sites by default, but that's rarely necessary unless you know you never want to use these features. Take your time with this step, since these settings affect every site you visit. Think of it like deciding who gets to knock on your door versus who you've handed a key. Okay, let's talk about those situations where you want a specific website to have access. Maybe your favorite chat app or your workplace's video platform. Go back to the main Site Settings page and scroll down again to the Permissions section. Click on either camera or microphone, depending on what you need. Here's where you'll see two lists, sites allowed and sites not allowed to use your device. Find the website you're having trouble with under Not Allowed to Use Your Camera/Microphone. If it's not there, you might need to visit the site at least once so it shows up. Click the website name or the arrow next to it and change the setting to Allow. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're sorting through a long list. But don't worry, once you set it, Chrome will remember your choice, and that's it. With these settings, you're set up to use your camera and microphone whenever you need, on whichever websites you trust, all while keeping your privacy protected. If you hit any snags, double-check each step. And remember, technology sometimes likes to throw a curveball, but you've got the know-how to adjust and keep moving. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions about Chrome settings or run into a unique problem, drop a comment below. I try to answer every question I see. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials that make your online life easier. See you in the next video.